Aaron's loading his little film camera. Alright. Don't mess up.
Yeah. It's not like an SD card, you know that. You can't take it out and put it back in again.
Pull it out.
Pull a bit more.
Pull.
Oh, pull more. That's it. Keep pulling.
Is that good?
Yeah. Right to the edge. Yeah. There you go.
Does that go in?
Push it in a bit. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Close that bad boy.
Close it. Imagine if you had to do that for an SD card, like 200 gig. You have to do that for like 300 shots or 400 shots.
Roman Fox canceled by the film community.
Not the first time. I'm an expert at getting cancelled by the film community. Let's do a fit check. We've got an old film camera.
So this is a
jacket.
He's got the Carhartt tote specifically.
The Carhartt t-shirt.
Stussy hat.
Yeah.
Wait, let me guess. He's probably wearing New Balances.
Look.
New Balances, Carhartt cargos.
Well, oh dear.
He's got the full fit.
Yeah. See what you're telling me about his favourite type of IPA and what sort of beer he likes to brew at home.
A new V60 for brewing coffee.
New P60.
Because it's a rapid train, it's only 30 minutes.
Oh wow. Cars.
Not this one. Tomorrow let's try and get it done.
Run on back.
We're in for a rough landing.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Authentic Japanese cuisine. It's a well-known Japanese restaurant called Mason Kaiser Paris. We have.
Butchered that pronunciation.
This is traditional Japanese here. We'll probably find it in Paris as well. We'll find that in Paris as well.
This is a Japanese, what they call a croissant. Japanese.
I believe it's croissant.
The croissant. And this is a traditional Japanese dish with tandoori chicken. It's amazing.
I'd show you what I ate, but I was too hungry. It's already gone. Okay. Wakey, wakey. You awake?
Yep.
What'd you get?
This is the local energy drink.
Jesus.
Sakura flavor.
You want to split that?
Huh?
You want to split it?
No.
You're gonna drink the whole thing?
Yeah.
God.
Do you want it?
No. You look like you're ready to promote your next course to the first person you see with a camera.
Hey guys, let me give you my 0 to 6 figure masterclass that will enrich your life. Escape the Matrix.
I feel like we're your bodyguards. We got our tickets. We're not making it out. I always find it hard to photograph things like this, where it's like everyone's just looking at one thing, and it's like, I can't do that. I'm better. I'm better than that.
I don't know how to photograph these places. You know, the places where everyone is photographing the same thing because, well, you know, I'm better.
Meanwhile,
Yes.
yeah.
What's that? This one here? Probably.
Arigatou gozaimasu. I'm not looking forward to going into that. Actually, that will come out nice on 50D. Yeah.
That's why I took it. It's not nice, but I film already, you see.
Or why can't I just...
See, one thing about film photography is even if you see a shot you kind of like it, when you look at your viewfinder, you may change your mind. And that's okay.
Or it's just an easy way to make it.
That walk away was legendary.
For a landscape, say if you're like a landscape photographer, right? And you go to fucking Switzerland or somewhere like that, which is just out of this world, you just point your camera at everything and get a bang. Whereas if you do landscape photography like the UK, you have to work for it. Film photography is like going to Switzerland. Just city still, even if it's your shoes, it looks great. Whereas a digital camera, you have to work for it.
That sniff. That sniff. So what we got here?
You simply wouldn't get this shot without a 40 megapixel camera. That's what the gear really comes in. Yeah,
Oh,
fast
man.
moving subject.
Used all 425 of those focus points. Actually, this would be a good cine still shot right here. You got the red. Red and blue always work well with 50D. Come from here, right here, right here. Director of photography here. Stance could be better.
People are coming.
Your form is a little off.
You need to stand in more potential.
Keep the right foot adjacent to your left foot.
Put yourself in the frame of mind. You're about to create art. Right. This is not food. This is not like a digital. This is art.
Oh yeah.
You're effectively painting with a brush. That's it. Oh, she's out.
Clear the scene. Nothing some Lightroom can't fix.
See, I've already got 20 versions of that shot.
Mine have a preset on it already. Let me have a copy from here. Let's get it. I'd be right now.
That is a man multitasking. Why does this feel like a freaking roller coaster? Alright. So today, we are searching for... Wait, no. What are we doing today? Today we are avoiding the tourists, right? No. We're going to the most touristy part of Kyoto. This is my poor attempt at vlogging.
Yeah.
Very poor attempt at vlogging. Headed to the best mochi. Is it machi or mochi? Mochi. Best mochi in Kyoto, according to Roman. We'll see about that. There's a strawberry in it. It's really good.
It's better than the one we had in Ginza.
Oh, don't tell that to Lou.
Strawberry inside it too.
Happy? How we doing, boys? So how we doing?
Sono le conseguenze del lavoro.
This is a week in the life of James Francis Knight. Age 29, his Tinder profile described as nice but shy. As he sits here drunk alone on a Sunday night, curiously swiping right, asks why try, why give the time, why this eternal wine, oh why try, why give the time, why this eternal wine.
A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. I've been a Squarespace user for the last 7 years, using it as a professional space for my favorite works, as well as an e-commerce store to help fund my business as a solo photographer and YouTube creator. You don't need any prior website design knowledge to get yourself started. They have several easy-to-use templates, as well as the ability to truly customize your website to your own taste. If it sounds interesting to you, you can try them out for free by visiting squarespace.com/Faizal, and make sure to use the code Faizal at checkout to get 10% off your first purchase.